Have you ever wondered what happens when you dive into cybersecurity training without a clue? I recently decided to enroll in a cybersecurity training program to gain a deeper understanding of the field and improve my skills. The program I chose is called CyberGuard, and it's offered by a well-established organization in the industry, SecureTech. SecureTech has a reputation for providing high-quality training and has helped many professionals advance their careers in cybersecurity. The CyberGuard program is a comprehensive training that covers everything from networking fundamentals to advanced penetration testing techniques. The training is delivered entirely online, which I thought would be convenient, and it lasts for 6 months. It's divided into 10 modules, each with its own set of video lessons, quizzes, and assignments. One of the things I liked about the program was that it started with the basics, so even someone with no prior experience in cybersecurity could follow along. The video lessons were engaging, and the instructors were knowledgeable and enthusiastic. I also appreciated that the program included a lot of theory, but also some practical exercises to help us apply what we learned. However, I was disappointed to find that the practical exercises were limited, and we didn't get to practice as much as I had hoped. I think this is an area where the program could be improved. Additionally, some of the assignments felt repetitive and didn't really challenge us to think critically. In comparison to other cybersecurity training programs I've researched, CyberGuard seems to be more focused on theory than hands-on practice. I've tried other programs that offered more interactive labs and simulations, which I think are essential for developing real-world skills. One of the most frustrating moments for me was when I got stuck on an assignment and couldn't get help from the instructors or the support team. It took them several days to respond to my messages, and by that time, I had already figured it out on my own. Overall, I would give the CyberGuard program 3 out of 5 stars. I think it's a good starting point for beginners, but it's not suitable for professionals looking to advance their skills. If you're new to cybersecurity, you might find the program helpful, but be prepared to supplement your learning with other resources. If you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity training and my experiences, check out my video on the top cybersecurity certifications for beginners. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried any cybersecurity training programs? What were your experiences like?